Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see on how to download the VS Code editor computer. So for this, we first have to open a browser, Chrome here, and then go to Google. In here, you have to type VS Code, after which a page like this will open, and click on the first link. Make sure the link is the same, and after you're there, choose your OS from here and then click on download. So I'm using Windows 10 over here, so I'm going to use download for Windows, and then your download will start. So it can take a minute or two, so I'm just going to speed up that part. So as you can see over here, our executable file has been downloaded. So let's just click on file manager and then open it. Okay, so now that the window has popped up, either you can read the terms and conditions and then click on I accept the agreement and click on next. Then choose the location where you want to install VS Code at. So I am preferably choosing my drive over here and click on next. After which click on next and then choose create a desktop icon if you want, and then click on next and now install. So afterwards it will prepare to install VS Code in your system, so it can take a minute or two, so I'm also going to speed that part up. Okay, so now that VS Code has been installed over here, choose the launch Visual Studio Code option and then click on close, after which VS Code will open. So afterwards it's just a basic tutorial on how to use it. So VS Code has been installed here, but I'm just going to show you how to choose a folder in it. So click on file and then open folder and choose a folder in which you want to program your files at. So I'm going to create a new folder here named coding and then HTML, and then click on select folder, after which it will select that folder. You can click your site as the author and then choose new file and give the language extension over here. So that will be the file's name, index.html over here, index.html, and then the coding begins. So afterwards you can just program the way you want it to be. So it's just me showing a sample over here that it works. So that's it for today. Hope you'll enjoy this video. If so, like it, share it and subscribe. Thanks for watching.